Okay, it's very windy. Welcome in to my house. So this is my office. Nothing much is going on right now. This is the hallway. I like those ones. Let me know if you want to know where I got them from. All that. That's the hallway. That's the laundry room. Somebody is doing laundry. We come in. Here is the kitchen. Nothing much is going on, but somebody is trying to grill. There is the kitchen. And then we have the pantry in there. Trying to organize it, but it's not getting anywhere. We move on. This is where we have our dining table, and this is where we serve our food anytime we have too many people, other than 3 people. And this is our living room. Here is our small but perfect living room. You can see it. That's the living room area. Let me take you to my bedroom. This is my bedroom. It's a quiet bedroom. Here it is. Nothing much is here. I haven't done anything. That box is still there, but we'll find somewhere for it to go. Then here is my bathroom. Oh, it's too bright. Here's my bathroom. There it is. That's the toilet. And we're moving on. We're gonna pass by the living room, but we're moving to the next one. Okay, this is the hallway. Oh, I didn't know that was open. That's the bathroom to these 2 bedrooms right here. First bedroom. It is right here. That's the first bedroom. That's where I keep my blankets. They are all over. That's the first bedroom. And then we go to the next. This is where I keep my towels and my linens. That's my second bedroom. That is called Faith's bedroom. So that's her bedroom. It is like that. And then there's the storage room right here. We put all the boxes, anything that we are not using at the moment. Then we go upstairs. Moving upstairs. I have this picture right here as you go up. And then we come upstairs. This is Alan's apartment. That's his bathroom. That's his bathroom. This is going to be his living area, but we don't have the couch yet. But at least we have the TV set. And then we go to his room. This is his room. It's not much decorated because you know it's a boy. I don't know what he wanna put. He might wanna put his pictures, so I haven't touched that one. And that's it.